Hold on. Are you kidding me? Sitting in floor. Why? Why doesn't this happen in my life? This chaos need to stop. But this is Chaos the World. I never ever. This doesn't exist like that. Usually Joshua is doing job in McDonald's crap. What are you doing? Why didn't I think that? The world, you know, Happy Cat or something. But it is. I read the world story. But it none. Hi Happy Cat and Super Fun HD. You are doing this crap on tree. How impossible are you being? Time out again Happy Cat for your language. Hold on, Happy you must talk it just go about that crap. I hate been putting on my tree. We must be Super Fun HD. We need to get rid of this thing. It must better than other one. It's still okay. Wait, follow me. It just surprises as you want. Okay, what in the world is this? Okay, if I don't know, remember this. This is taking forever, but I'm going to check if my house, or what? Wait, what? How can Banana Cat can fly? You kidding me? That's it, Kyle and Gayugo. Get out. Banana Cat, did you break my cup? What? No, I didn't break my cup. Banana Cat, Super Fun HD told me you break my cup, you Guyana Cat. Banana Cat, you better sit down. And how dare you fly you dumb, just wait until I dox your address.
I don't give a fuck.
Hey, what with your language? I said sit down. And stop fly like shit. Sit down. I knew you didn't fly. So you forgot to order this shit. So, find that all. And how did you do that? That was trick. I don't understand what you're saying, you break as pro manners. Call me again, and I will put detention at you. Shut up with that thing. And I think you're not teacher. You are growing. Banana Cat, help me. You want I take you detention? IT had better idea. Let's go, you hater, Banana Cat. Is that Bonzi World? Well, I call the Bonzi World show. But Bakugo was right there in the freezing area that I never existed. If you want this, then go ask Chief. Yes, Super Fun HD. Super Fun, how did you? Well, I nuked Banana Cat because I am the owner of YouTube. So he dead. Oh my god, he is dead. How can Banana Cat is killer? I thought he was good, but now I'm crying.
Hi, I'm EHDAB, and I love fucking big people like festival characters, and also I like nipping and
Why do I have kill Maxwell and everyone, even if fight? Shut up. Fight like yo mama bitch.
Hi.
What in the world, Bonzi? Are you Banana Cat King? You know, yes, I am the king of Banana Cat. I sees you fight with Banana Cat, but super fun HD nuke Banana Cat in next episode. Two Bonzis. Okay, I kidnapped you. Banana Cat is my king, so yes. Please shut up. Banana Cat, sit down the tree, now, or you're grounded, but Bonzi is looking at me.
Hi, I'm EHD, AB, and I love fucking big people like festival characters.
In God mode, EFROMBONZIWORLDITSASCERET. I will nuke El Gel. Ha ha. Unbeat your ass. Did the super fun HD leaks his God mode? You are not owner. This is Banana Cat Oatmeal. Super fun HD changed the God mode password before Banana Cat nuke everyone. Why did you change it? And what the God mode password? I will not tell you. Because you are nuke dead cats. Sulfur monoxide, I had changed the God mode password. I promise I won't nuke cats. Too late. I'm not giving you God mode. If you stole it while I was sleeping, you're grounded. Please let me get my God mode. Please. I say. No. More. God mode. Password. Actually, I'm going the tree. Hello, Happy Cat. Where my love PS cheek? Excuse me. I'm going have nuke you or ban, or kick. Nuke me then if you're dick. Okay, you're a dick. Actually, I have go to sleep. Ayo. He got a God mode. Okay, I will nuke Super Fun HD. That's it. Let nuke each other. Banana Cat. How dare you nuke the cats, but now you're a band. You're grounded, grounded, grounded. Dick. If someone leak in God mode in bonzi.gay, it had been month. Thanks for watching this. Bye. Hello everyone, today I will be fly. Banana Cat, I took your card so this other Banana Cat won't meet you. 3 Banana Cats. Are you trying kill me? Super Fun HD nuke 3 Banana Cat. Nuke Super Fun HD. Wait, no, I mean 2. Nuke himself. Banana Cat, shut up, I'm trying to watch this outro. Banana Cat, I'm going.